one, making paratha for 18th days Ramadan fasting and today is March 8 and today is Sunday. So making paratha dinti with fresh buffalo milk. Ayan. And then parathas. Then I have bread here. Fahad bring last night with pakoras and parathas. So I have extra scrambled egg last night. And also this one, apple maro curry. And I have little rice and chicken tapa. So I have this bread. If no enough rice, so I will eat with tea and that bread. Yan. Ayan silang ga. Nag-hyper na naman. Ito yung aking malaking problema. Inuuntog niya yung kanyang ulo. Hindi naman niya masabi yung kanyang sakit. Wala din siyang tulog. Hindi masyado siya natulog kagabi. Kaya ako, wala din ako masyadong tulog. Kaya before alarm na, gising na ako. Ayan siya. Hindi naman niya masabi yung kanyang dinaramdam kasi hindi naman siya makapagsalita. Ayan. Now close fasting for suhoor. And Siri is already siren and azan. Ayan. Done our suhoor or Siri. It's cooking time again for 18 days Ramadan fasting for our dinner. So I will cook this yellow beans pulses. They call it here chuli. So I boil already this one in gasol over there for 6 minutes. Now I make saute garlics, onions here. So now I will put now this garlics. Because this kind of beans is hard, so I boil first in pressure cooker. And I use this kind of dried cherry tomatoes. This is organic because I don't have available tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Kaya ito na lang yung aking gagamitin, dried cherry tomatoes. Done our iftari and dinner. Alhamdulillah. Kaya ito na lang yung natira na 1 jug na sharbot o kaya juice. Ito mamaya pa namin ito kakainin. And then meron pang extra na chapati kasi silangga hindi siya kumain. Alam niyo inatake siya ng epilepsy. 10 minutes bago mag-open fasting, inatake siya, dito siya natumba. Yan. Buti na naalalayan namin na nakita namin na umiikot-ikot siya dito tapos inalalayan namin na pinahiga. Kaya wala siyang ganang kumain after siya na atake. Ayan, magaling na naman. So hindi siya kumain ng chapati niya. Ganyan siya pag after ng atake niya, hindi siya kumakain. Tapos ito yung kahapon na binili ni Fahad na bread Tapos ngayon bumili na naman siya ng cake crust. Ito pa nga yung pakula hindi namin naubos kaya nakakatamid din na maggawa everyday kasi sayang lang. Hindi nakakain. Tapos yan, ito yung yellow pulses or yellow beans. Kunti lang yung aking kinain na rice. Kaya marami pa ito hanggang bukas pa ito ng suhor.